During a recent interview on NBC's Meet the Press, President Donald Trump said he wasn't sure if everyone in the United States is entitled to the due process rights guaranteed by the Constitution. This comes as his administration aggressively pushes to deport undocumented immigrants and some non-citizens, including people detained for pro-Palestinian activism. When asked if he agreed with Secretary of State Marco Rubio that all people in the United States deserve due process, Trump replied, "I don't know, I'm not a lawyer." He added that giving everyone a trial could mean holding 1 million or 2 million or 3 million trials. The United States Constitution clearly protects due process under the 5th and 14th Amendments, which ensure fair treatment and legal protection for anyone within U.S. borders. Trump said his legal team would follow whatever the Supreme Court rules. He also claimed courts are blocking his efforts to deport some of the worst, most dangerous people on Earth. On April 19, the Supreme Court temporarily stopped the Trump administration from deporting a group of Venezuelans accused of gang ties. The administration used an old wartime law to justify the move and is now asking the court to change or lift its ruling. Despite the push, there have been mistakes. For example, a man named Kilmar Armando Abrego Garcia was deported even though a court order was supposed to protect him. U.S. officials later admitted his removal was an administrative error. Trump says he won't run for a third term. Trump also said he's not planning to seek a third term, saying, "It's not something I'm looking to do." The 22nd Amendment of the Constitution prohibits anyone from being elected president more than twice. While Trump has hinted at it in the past, he acknowledged it's not allowed. On the economy, Trump said the United States is going through a transition, but believes it will soon do fantastically. When pressed about fears of a coming recession, he brushed it off, saying some people on Wall Street predict a strong economy instead. He also deflected blame for the recent 0.3% drop in the economy, saying the strong parts are thanks to him, and the weak parts are due to President Biden's poor handling. Trump says he won't fire Fed Chair Powell, yet. Trump has criticized Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell for not cutting interest rates faster, but said he won't remove him before his term ends in 2026. Still, Trump has recently threatened to fire him over Fed policies related to interest rates, taxes, and tariffs. Finally, Trump said he's open to extending the June 19th deadline for China-based ByteDance to sell TikTok's U.S. operations. He said he likes the app because it helped him win over young voters in 2024, and added, "TikTok is very interesting, but it will be protected." Please subscribe to our channel for more stories like this one.